I'm Joseph D'Angelo, Geospatial Information Officer, and you're watching Snapshot 6. This video will take a look at some of the efforts around the unified government throughout the month.
The Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful Litter Index is a simple tool that allows a quick visual assessment of the amount of litter in our community. The data obtained through the Litter Index determines the types of community improvement programs needed to address current conditions and achieve long-term sustainable results. Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful asks residents to provide input on the litter they see in their community by submitting their litter index score for the selected road for one or more commission districts now through July 16th. GreenFest is a community-wide celebration of Athens residents and organizations who have gone above and beyond in improving the environments of our homes, yards, businesses, and community. Through peer nominations, the GreenFest Awards recognize sustainability leaders in Athens-Clarke County schools, businesses, community organizations, and government. ACC Gov departments announced these GreenFest Awards during the ceremony on April 19th. The Stormwater Steward Award was presented to New Urban Forestry for a building redesign involving stormwater runoff. The Waste Innovator of the Year Award was presented to Jason Leonard, owner of Downtown Bars, for his efforts to remove glass beverage containers from those bars. The Rot Star Award was presented to Winterville Worms. The Waste Reduction Award for Industry was presented to UGA's Green Labs program. The Waste Reduction Award for Schools was presented to Whit Davis Elementary School. The 2017 Adopt a Highway Group of the Year was presented to the Athens-Clarke County Police Department. The 2017 Beautiful Business of the Year was awarded to Jay's Bottle Shop. The 2017 Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful Keepin' It Clean Citizen of the Year was presented to Kenneth Taylor. The 2017 Leader in Water Conservation Award was presented to Audrey Hughes, a 7th grade science teacher at Hillsman Middle School. On April 13th, 25 people from a variety of Athens-Clarke County government departments, state agencies, and volunteers participated in a prescribed fire on the managed forest site at Sandy Creek Nature Center. The goal of the burn was to improve habitat, reduce fire fuels, reduce woody plants, and to promote pollinator plant growth. For the first time, the ignition team was comprised completely of ACC Gov employees, including staff from the Sustainability Office, Leisure Services, and the Community Forester. The fire department helped control fire in some especially difficult areas of the site and also made sure the fire in the critical zone around the perimeter was out. The police department provided drone coverage throughout the day and again at night, monitoring smoke and making sure flames were always contained. The Pavement Maintenance Program, or PMP, includes new pavement and preventive maintenance treatments such as chip seal and crack seal on roads in Athens-Clarke County. Funding for the program comes from SPLOST, T-SPLOST, local funds through the General Fund, and the Georgia Department of Transportation grants. Fiscal year 2017 and 2018 PMP projects are finishing up in May. They included new pavement on 65 roads totaling 75 lane miles and preventive maintenance on 289 roads totaling 250 lane miles. A third pavement maintenance program for calendar year 2018 is currently underway. The Geographical Information Services, or GIS Office, is currently conducting the local update of census addresses, known as LUCA. Address data from the Census Bureau was received in April 2017 and must be updated and returned to the census by August 2, 2018. The Census Bureau allows 120 days for the review. To complete the work on time, 4 interns have been hired and will assist with data analysis, data collection, and field work. The accuracy and completeness of the address list is critical to the accuracy of the 2020 census count. Not only will the 2020 census be used to apportion seats in the U.S. House of Representatives, but it will also be used to distribute federal funds and grants to communities. The Water Conservation Office received the Innovative Project Award from the Georgia Association of Water Professionals on April 10th during their spring conference. The award recognized the Fire Up the Hydrants project that highlights the value of water. As part of the project, 20 downtown fire hydrants were turned into works of art by local artists. Visit the Water Business Office online or at their location at 124 East Hancock Street for a map of the hydrants and take the H 2.0 water walk.